Welcome to the NC SIP event calendar tutorial. You can find our event calendar on our website. The website address is ncsip.org. Once you're at this website, you will see what looks like on your screen our web page. At the top, there are tabs that you can navigate to find different information. You'll see the Home page tab at the top, the About Us tab at the top, Evidence-Based Practice tab, Partners tab, Parents, and last, the Events tab on the right-hand side corner of the website. To find the event calendar, you will click on the Events tab. Once you click on the Events tab, you will see the calendar that pops up. Most likely, you will need to scroll down the page in order to view the entire calendar. What you see on the screen is a screenshot of the calendar. You'll notice at the top, it has the month. For the particular one that you are viewing now, it is April 2019. You have a few navigation bars at the top as well. On the left-hand corner, you have arrow keys that will take you to different months. So let's say that I needed to find an event that's happening in May. I would click the right arrow key in order to find an event in May 2019. Or I can click on the Today tab to see what's happening today across the state. Within our state of North Carolina, we put events on this event calendar. Instructors from across the state are asked to put their professional learning offerings on this same calendar. So, for example, you can see there's a reading research to classroom practice offered in Union County, all the way to Caldwell County, all the way to Beaufort County. So you'll need to find the county that's closest to you to find a professional learning opportunity. There's a key at the top of this page that gives you an idea about how to search this calendar. The key indicates that if it is in green, then that course is a Reading Research to Classroom Practice course. If the box is blue in color, then it is a Foundations of Math course. If it's purple, then it's other professional development offerings, such as the Deep Dive into Dyslexia, All Leaders Understand, Collaborate, and Support Evidence-Based Instruction, Co-Teaching Calling All Administrators, or even Co-Teaching for Teachers Going Beyond the Basics. Once you determine that there is one that you're interested in, you'll need to click in order to see the details. You're going to want to click on the box. So for this particular example, we're going to look at the details for the Beaufort Reading Research to Classroom Practice LEA class. Once you click on the box, you will see the details pop up. You may need to scroll down the page in order to see all of the details for the course. I have a screenshot on the screen now that we're looking at for the Beaufort Reading Research to Classroom Practice course. What you'll notice about this entry for this event is this says Day 5. Reading Research to Classroom Practice and Foundations of Math are both 5-day courses. In order to really fully get the benefit of the professional learning opportunity, you will need to attend all 5 days. For this particular course that we're looking at, it tells us that it's reading and it's an LEA level course. If it was a state level course, it would say state where it says LEA, and I'm highlighting that now. Individuals who are looking for a state level course would only be those individuals who have completed a letter of intent to become instructors for the course. If you have not completed your letter of intent to become instructor, then you would not need to take a state level course. What you notice is that this course has a lead facilitator name that's highlighted here. There is also a contact email for this lead facilitator. If you have any questions about the course offering, this is the person that you would want to contact with any of your questions. Next, you'll find the event location. This gives details about where this event will be located. This particular event is located in Washington, North Carolina. It also gives us the start time and end time for this course. Once you look down the page, you're going to also see some other additional information that instructors provide for you. This particular offering has a registration that's provided on these details. You'll notice the dates toward the bottom. So additional dates, multiple training dates are located here. This is very important to pay attention to. For example, this is day 5, which means if I'm looking for a course, I need to have attended all of these days in order to fully experience the professional learning opportunity. I would need to go back to my calendar and find a day 1 offering. This also has the link for the registration. Some districts will have a registration link. Once you click on that link, you're able to register for the course. If the offering does not have a registration link, then you can contact the email of the facilitator above. If you have any other questions about the event calendar, please contact your regional consultant found on the nccip.org website. Thank you for listening.